Hey guys, thanks for stopping by thetradinganalyst.com. We're going to take a look at the Biotech daily chart here. I'm going to go over some specific levels here that I really think that are going to help you out in the market this week and moving forward. At least that's what I really hope that it does. So let's take a look before we get into this chart here, guys, that I think is going to help you guys out. What I want you to do is visit us here on the home page of the website. And just get to know us better because we want to get to know you better. And you can do that by visiting us here on the home page and seeing exactly what the service is all about, what you're going to get when you sign up and join today. And the other cool part is you're going to be able to see what other people are saying about the membership. These are real traders, real people who are inside of the membership getting results just like you want to be getting. So it's a good opportunity to see it from a different perspective other than my own because, of course, I think I have the best service out there. And I really, truly believe that, guys, because our members are happy, they're making money, and they're happy enough to leave us these glowing testimonials and reviews. And the other cool part, when you check us out here, is you're also going to get instant access to the same profitable trading alerts that these guys are talking about in their videos, in their reviews. And so if you're sick and tired of losing money in the market and you're sick and tired of inconsistency in your trading, because we've all been there, winning one week, losing the next two, and your account never really goes anywhere. And worst case scenario, you lose all your money in your account. Trust me, we've all been there. And it's not your fault if you haven't been successful up until this point. I really, really mean that, guys. But it is going to be your fault if you don't actually do something that's going to make a change in your life and in your trading, okay? So the change that you're looking for is thetradinganalyst.com. And when you sign up and join the premium membership, you can say goodbye to your inconsistency in your trading. You can say goodbye to losing money in the market. And you can say hello to making money in the market with consistently profitable trading alerts. And you guys, these are delivered directly to your cell phone in real time so you can trade from anywhere at any time. And you're going to be able to participate in these trades. So you can say goodbye to mulling over hundreds of charts. You can say goodbye to missing out on trading opportunities. And you guys, these trades have been around for a long time and they're going to help you make money in the market, and you can get instant access when you sign up today, and you can start making money as early as tomorrow. And the other thing that I want to mention here, guys, is we are raising the prices here soon. We're seeing a big growth and jump in membership. A lot of people are joining. You can see in the bottom left-hand side of your screen right now with that notification popping up, showing you how many people have visited the site here recently, and it's almost 2,000 people. A lot of times it's even higher than that. And the reason we're raising the prices here, guys, is because we want to be able to serve you guys at the highest possible level on an individual basis. I mean, that's what you want, right? That's what everybody wants. So in order to do that, we have to raise the prices here so we can serve you guys on an individual basis and give you guys the best experience possible, okay? So I don't want you to wait to sign up. You need to sign up right now, because if you wait to sign up, you're going to have to pay the higher rate that we're raising to. And not only that, but you're going to be missing out on this week's trading opportunities, the alerts that we're sending out to our members. So don't wait to sign up. Take this opportunity right now, make that change in your trading, in your life, and start making money in the market and getting results now. Not 6 months from now, not a year from now, but now. When you sign up, you're going to get instant access to these profitable trading alerts, and they're going to help you make money in the market right now. All right, so let's take a look at the chart here for Biotech. And I want to kind of review here the recent action, because this is something that we called for, okay? We called for higher prices on IBB and Biotech. So I'm going to review here why we called for those higher prices. So we broke over this resistance level, and this is something we called for as well. I'm not going to cover all the way back, but just the more recent action. So we broke over this resistance. So there was resistance here. Do you see that hit? And you see how before we broke over it right here, we kind of grinded up against it for about 2.5 weeks, really tight up against that level. And as you can see, when we broke over that level, we saw a nice big move. So this is a key level here for Biotech, okay? It showed you how important it was by how many times it got hit just in that 2-week period. Never mind where it got hit previously there and a couple times back here, but that was the key level. So when we last did a video here on Biotech, we called for the bounce against this support, all right? And that's exactly what happened right here, okay? We called for a hit against this about 113, 114 resistance. You can see that's where we hit last time here and right here. And as you can see, we just cleared that resistance right away. So bullish action here for Biotech. Now, if we head lower back into this level, about IBB, about 114 to 113, that's a support level that I think that will give Biotech a bounce. So you definitely want to keep that level in mind. We may want to come down, we may want to come down here and fill this gap, maybe hammer off of it and then get a bounce. Okay, so just pay attention to this support level because it was a previous resistance level, and you guys see how important these previous resistance levels are. We broke over that level here, and now we're coming into that bounce zone there. We bounced. Okay, so you see how important these previous support levels are, guys. Okay, do you see how important that is? I really hope that you do. And it's really simple and easy to spot, okay? So now that's the support. I do think that we will continue higher overall. The next real resistance isn't until about 118.50 to 119.50 up here. That's the previous all-time high here for Biotech, and I definitely think that it's going to head there. What it does when it gets there remains to be seen. It's probably going to pause a little bit and then maybe get a little retracement back here to 113, 114, and then we can continue higher from there. So pay attention to these near-term levels, about 113, 114, and then 118 to 119 on the resistance levels. All right, guys, thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video. I really hope that it's going to help you out in the market this week and moving forward. Now, if you're looking to take your trading up a level, if you're looking to say goodbye to losing money in the market and to gain consistency in your trading and to start making money in the market, then you need to make this change. You need to do something about it and join the premium membership opportunity here, because when you join, you're going to get that opportunity to make money and get results now, as early as tomorrow. When the market opens, when you join, you're getting instant access to the profitable trading alerts, guys. And you can trade from anywhere because these are delivered in real time via text message. So you can say goodbye to going over a bunch of charts every day or missing out on trading opportunities, because these trades are going to give you that opportunity to make money now and to put money in your pocket so you can make that change in your trading and your life and to start making money and getting results right away, because that's what it's all about. It's not about talking. It's not about looking at charts. It's not about all that stuff. It's about making money, all right? That's what you want. That's what I want. I want it for me. I want it for you. And you can do that. You can put money in your pocket by joining this premium membership opportunity here. And when you sign up today, you're getting instant access to the profitable trading alerts. And you guys, we are raising the prices here soon. I don't want you to miss out. If you wait to sign up, that's going to be bad for you, because you're going to miss out. You're going to have to pay the higher rate that we're raising the rates to, and you're going to miss out on the trades that we have going on this week. I want you to get in on these trades. I want you to make money. I want you to get results right now. So you need to join the premium membership community and start getting money right away from the market. So this is Taylor. I'm signing off. I hope to see you inside the membership so we can help you start making money tomorrow.